Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Mindbender's Quest. Let's start the quiz about satellites. Drop your answer in the comment section. Let's start. Which country launched the first satellite into space? USA, China, USSR, India. The answer is USSR. What was the first artificial satellite launched into space? Explorer 1, Sputnik 1, Voyager 1, Hubble. The answer is Sputnik 1. What is the main purpose of GPS satellites? Taking pictures of space, helping with navigation and location tracking, studying the sun, making phone calls. The answer is helping with navigation and location tracking. Which satellite help us to watch TV and use the internet? Weather satellite, communication satellite, navigation satellite, space telescope. The answer is communication satellite. What is the name of Earth's largest artificial satellite? Hubble Space Telescope, International Space Station, ISS, Voyager 1, Explorer 1. The answer is International Space Station, ISS. What force keeps satellites in orbit around the Earth? Electricity, gravity, magnetism, wind. The answer is gravity. What's the name of Elon Musk's satellite internet project? MarsNet, Starlink, SkyZoom, MoonTube. The answer is Starlink. Which material is being tested for eco-friendly satellites? Cotton, plastic, wood, cloth. The answer is wood. What is a satellite constellation? A group of stars shaped like a spaceship. A cluster of satellites working together. A birthday party in space. A satellite made of glitter. The answer is a cluster of satellites working together. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.